Hi, what's your name? My name is Annie. Where are you from? I come from India. What do you do? I'm a laborer. Oh, why did you come here? I have been for 10 days. Have you been here Temple of Literature? No, I haven't. Do you want to come here? Yes, I do. What do you like the best about here? What I like the best is people and friendly. Oh, Chiến, how do I get to the cinema? Yes, I do. Go straight on Bond Street, then walk down about around Turnet on King Road. Go past teacher and back to the cinema. Thank you, Chiến. Sorry, I had to go work. Okay, see you again. Bye. Bye.